Hi, a warm welcome to all of you. So let's start with market analysis for tomorrow. So we are starting with the Nifty 50 index in 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see here, from 22nd of December, market was in consolidation, range bound market. So as you can see here, the market is here as of now. At 16,997. So in case if this starts going up tomorrow, so let's see what's actually the market will be doing tomorrow. Like it's like just a probability. So as you can see here, it's a bearish engulfing candle. So it has reversed the trend. So it is going towards a downtrend, and if you see in much more detail, this is a strong bearish candle, and this one is appearing to be like a doji where both buyers and sellers are in competition. So here again it shows that higher price rejection. So as you can see here, but here the sellers are trying to control the market. So we have to see if it goes on here, if sellers try to push the market down and take control of the market, and if they if the price of the market crosses the support line and it breaks the support line, so here will be my entry and this will be my target. In case it starts going up and it breaks this resistance line, so here will be my entry to buying, and here will be my target for selling the stocks. So now we'll go to the next one, that is Nifty Bank Index in 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see here, again there's consolidation of market happening from 24th of December. So market is going in a consolidation, range bound market, and if I zoom in, so you're seeing that it's almost this is the bearish engulfing candle. So it has to reverse the trend, and it has come down. But here again, as you can see, this is the hammer, and which shows that buyers are again, they have taken the control of the market. Sellers were trying to put the pressure, but buyers took control of the market. And here again it's like this is again a hammer, so which shows that buyers are trying to control the market against the sellers. So in case if it is happening the same and it just crosses this resistance line and breaks this resistance line, here will be my target. But in case it starts to fall down and breaks this support line, this will be my target here. So this is almost, percentage ratio is almost 0.92%, and here it is 0.64%. Yeah, and now we'll be doing the analysis of the stocks. So we'll be starting with Coal India Limited. So here, as you can see, market has again happened in consolidation market here from 23rd of December. So it's moving in a range. So this is the resistance and this is the support line. So market is here. So let's analyze how the market is going. So if you just see this pattern, this is like a morning star pattern, and it reversed the trend from the downtrend to uptrend, but it was a small uptrend, and again it fell down. But again, as you can see here, that if you just ignore this candle for a while and if you just assume these three candles, it's appearing to be like a morning star again, but again it went for a small duration of uptrend and again it fell back. But if you see the volume here, it has crossed this line, this MA line here, and sellers have made a good I mean they have made good sales in the market. So in case if buyers start buying, and if it reverses the trend and it starts moving up and breaks this resistance line, this will be my target. In case it breaks the support line, and here will be my target. So now we'll be going to the next stock, that is Power Grid Corporation Limited in 15 minutes time frame. As you can see here, the pattern formed here is a wedge pattern or a pennant pattern. So as you can clearly watch and observe here, that the stock is here, it's almost touching this resistance line, the stop trend line. And if the stock is if the price is breaking this line, and if it starts going up, then this will be my entry, and here will be my target, and this will be the stop loss. But in case it falls down and if it breaks the support line, this here will be my entry, and this will be the target, and here will be my stop loss. Now we'll be going to the next stock, that is ITC Limited in 15 minutes time frame. Here the pattern being formed is a wedge pattern or pennant pattern, or this is also can be called as a descending triangle pattern. But here as you can see that the top resistance line is here. But in case here this is the bearish engulfing candle. So it happened, it turned from this is almost like a neutral, or you can also call it as it was happening within a range bound market, and then it started falling down for some period of time. So this was a bearish candle, but again here doji was formed. But here if you see the volume, there was increase in the buyers quantity. So buyers have crossed this line, that is the black MA line. So there was good amount of buyers here, though a doji is being formed here. But again here there was a candle formed here with higher price rejection, showing that sellers also sold the shares here. So it's almost like both buyers and sellers are almost in equal competition. But since here this is a higher price rejection, so we can also tell that sellers were trying to take control of the market. So in case tomorrow it starts going up and breaks this line here, here will be my target, and this will be the stop loss. But in case it comes down and breaks this support line, here will be my target, and this will be the stop loss. We'll be going to the next stock, that is Wipro EQ in 15 minutes time frame. Here as you can see, it's again a consolidation pattern, and also you can observe that it's double top. Again it has started to go to the triple top pattern being formed here. So it's almost like a triple top formation, and so the stock is expected to come down. So in case it falls down tomorrow, and if it breaks the support line, here will be my target. But if it is going up and it breaks this resistance line here, here will be my target. But let's analyze the candles here. So as you can see, it's a strong bullish trend that was happening, and then sellers started taking control of the market. So here in the volume section too, if you can observe that sellers have made good amount of trade here. So it's likely that if they start making good trade again tomorrow, it will fall down, or maybe buyers will try to take the shares again, and if they start moving up up here, so we need to see whether it breaks this line or not, and then enter into the trade accordingly. Yeah, and this is it. Thank you so much.